The EMP2, as you can see here, is mounted directly on engines or in accessories in the engine room, where it transfers a pressure of water or oil to a 4 to 20 milliamp signal that can be used in the control system. This is still relevant because the EMP2 has proven its worth over 50 years. This product is safe and reliable. It's fit and forget for the engineers. They can concentrate on other stuff on the engine.
With increased focus on lower emissions, higher energy efficiency, comfort, but also connectivity, these trends is driving a need for smarter systems. To make applications more intelligent and, for instance, more efficient, there is a need for more sensors to get more data. This need for data is really what is driving our business opportunities and what makes sensors more and more important in the future.